Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit, Smart Home Device, the complete product review. This product review is Amazon Associate Commissions Earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the description. Don't forget to click on the link below to benefit from an exclusive guarantee and fast delivery on this product. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Here's a complete product analysis of the Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit, evaluating its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Transform your lighting experience with this kit, offering a range of colors and shades of white, controllable via app or voice, and compatible with various smart home systems. Key features: smart LED bulbs, white or color options, includes Hue Bridge, needed for full smart features. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. App control with routines, timers, and scenes. Dimmable and adjustable color/temperature. Expandable up to 50 lights per bridge. Bright and vivid light, up to 800 lumens per bulb. Fast, reliable control, especially with Hue Bridge. Good color range, color model. Stable connection using Zigbee via the bridge. Ease of use. Easy setup via the Philips Hue app. Intuitive app and voice control. Works well with other smart home devices. Optional physical dimmer switches available. Value for money. Pros: high quality, long-lasting bulbs, LEDs. Strong smart home integration. Cons: expensive upfront. Cheaper alternatives exist, but often with fewer features. Bottom line: great choice if you want a premium, expandable smart lighting system. Pricey, but worth it for quality and smart home compatibility.